What's happening to you guys? Biker Dave here with another easy tip for you. After you've installed your new rear sprocket and you've torqued down your sprocket bolts, just as a, I would call this a peace of mind measure, because if you have ever had your sprocket nut and bolt loosen up and come out, it can be not only dangerous to you as a rider, it can be catastrophic to you as your machine. I also recommend that you replace your sprocket hardware at least every other sprocket change. Make sure that you have the kind of nut that is a locking nut. You know what I'm saying? Where it's got the little nylon lock inside of it. I prefer that kind because they will stay in place. Or some sort of lock nut. I mean, some people use Loctite and all that, and that helps. But if you have ever had your sprocket bolts come out, even though they were already torqued, and it's usually because they were over-torqued when they were installed, and then they basically won't do as well. They won't work well after that. So here's a little peace of mind thing for you that you can do it right now if you want. Clean off your wheel, clean off this area here, and just take either a paint pen or a Sharpie or something like that, and just make a mark all the way across the bolt and the sprocket. That way, if you notice that line move at all, you know that you possibly have loose hardware or it's malfunctioning. It's not holding snug. That's all that's for, is peace of mind. Because happened to me one time many, many years ago where a couple of my sprocket bolts came out while I was riding, and they were tight. But I don't think I was replacing the hardware back then like I do now. Anyway, it's just something real simple that can help you, and you just take a glance down there and say, yep, looks good. Hasn't budged, whatever. Real simple. That's it. Check out our other videos. We got tons of videos on your motocross bikes. If you're looking to maybe improve your knowledge of how to work on your bike or maintenance and that sort of thing, check it out. Scan through our channel. So much stuff that might help you. We also have entertainment, and race videos and things on our channel. We got 2 channels now. Horsepower House 2.0 is the second channel, so you can find that as well. Look in the links in the description for where you can find us. And that's it. So make sure you Google us. Look for us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Amazon, eBay. Horsepower House. Google us. You'll find us. Biker Dave signing off. Y'all have a good day. See you.